Hey guys, welcome back to another YouTube video. It's been a while. I hope you guys are doing good and I hope everyone is doing well. So on this video, I'm just gonna talk about a trade that I missed on Nasdaq. It was a long opportunity which I was waiting for, but unfortunately I missed it because Nasdaq did not get into the area of interest which I was expecting it to go. But yeah, this is just a screenshot of the before of what I was expecting. So I wasn't expecting to catch any selling opportunities from this drop that we had right here. Alright, I was waiting for Nasdaq to drop into this price range right here, which you can see I marked out the low of that candle and the high. It was the void which I was targeting for, and if price had to move lower, I was aiming for this zone right here, my area of interest, which I would then look for further long opportunity. So, and the result was this right here. We can see that Nasdaq just closed in the void, right there, and price did not get to the zone which I was waiting for. So that was a missed opportunity, but nevertheless, we cannot catch them all. Yeah, so let's just head to the chart and see and just take a closer look at Nasdaq. All right, so like I explained, this drop that happened right here, I was waiting for price to just close in the void, which was the low of that candle there. Let me just change this color, which was the low and the high of that candle. Right, so initially I was just waiting for the low for price to close in that range to look for long opportunities, but we can see if we use the high of that order block right there, we can see that price just closed in the void and respected that order block, and then price reversed. All right, so it was on the 1 hour which I was focusing on. So I had the low right there and I marked out the high of that. So I was waiting for price to get down here, all right, before taking an opportunity, but like I said, I did miss that, which is okay. We cannot catch them all, but yeah, we move on. So where to with Nasdaq from here? Let's just head down to the 4 hour and start up here. So we can see after price made that drop, we can see that price took out the high right here, and I can see price possibly taking out this high right here and heading to the big figure mark, which would be, where's the price label? I can possibly see Nasdaq heading to 15. That's just my prediction. All right, Nasdaq heading to 15. All right, so that's where I'm expecting to see Nasdaq before we might get another drop. But from here we could see price just heading towards the upside and then dropping, or if we do get a drop from here, I would expect price to go further towards the downside, right, closing in the void that we have here, which would be the low of that candle and the high of that candle. And if we look closer, we can see this last candle here. We can use that as a order block, right, for long opportunities. right? So you can see before price might hit the buy side liquidity above this old high, we do have another gap right there. It would be the high, which price also needs to close in, and the low of that candle, right? So that's also an area which I would price as resistance, but like I said, for long term I do expect Nasdaq to hit the 15k big figure. All right, so if we do drop further lower, all right, I will expect price to take out these equal lows right here. All right, so I will expect price to aim for these lows if we do head towards the downside. All right, so but that's in future. All right, we can just react on price, you know, so whatever price does, we follow it and we see what happens. But for now, this is what I'm expecting on Nasdaq. Let's just head down to 30-minute and see how we can define or refine our markups. Let's just use the high of that candle, which could also qualify as resistance, like I said. And as we can see, that price has created nice lows right here. All right, so that also states to us that we have some liquidity resting right below these lows right here. All right, so yeah, I would say if you want to possibly look for longs, I would say rather wait for price to drop towards the downside before making any decisions, right? Because price could head further down utilizing this candlestick right here, which also qualifies as an order block that run. All right, so just keep that in mind. All right, so yeah, that's just what I see on Nasdaq for now. All right, so this is just all I can say, you know, because there's not much happening right now. I usually trade from Tuesdays, all right, because on Mondays I just observe price and wait for price to settle into its natural algorithm and for price to do what it wants to do. So then from Tuesday we could possibly look for entries or reasonable places as to where price wants to go. All right, so that's all that I have for this video. I hope you guys have a great trading week. You know, stay blessed, look after each other, and yeah, I will see you guys on the next YouTube video. All right, so hopefully you guys found this video insightful. You know, just leave a like and don't forget to share the video. I'll see you guys on the next one. Cheers.